Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the rear brake pads on Mercedes W211 E-Class. The procedure is similar for all E-Classes. So this is the rear wheel and that's the rear brake caliper. In order to remove the brake pads we need to remove the brake caliper and we need to remove this spring right there. In order to remove the brake caliper, there is two bolts holding it, one on the bottom, one on the top. We need to remove those caps and then we're going to be removing the bolts. Next we're going to remove the bolts. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now, before removing the brake caliper, first I'm going to use a screwdriver to push the brake cylinder in a little bit so that you can remove the brake caliper much easier. Just pry it a little bit with the screwdriver and to open. Afterwards we need to disconnect the brake pad wear sensor. Remove this spring with a screwdriver and then we can take out the brake caliper. And that's the brake caliper out. Next we're going to remove the brake pads. We're going to push in the brake cylinder. I'm going to be using these pliers to push in the brake cylinder. You can also use brake cylinder compression tool if you have. That's what I'm using because it's much faster. And that's the brake cylinder in. Next I'm going to put the brake pads back on. Don't forget to put the brake pad wear sensor on and then you can put the brake pads. That's the brake caliper on. Next I'm going to tighten the two bolts and then I'm going to connect the brake pad wear sensor and then we're done with replacing the brake pads on this side of the wheel. Replacing it on the other side is exactly the same procedure. After replacing both sides, when you go into the car, don't forget to press the brake pedal a couple of times so that the brake cylinder goes back to normal position. And then we're done with replacing the brake pads. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.